of that elevator sign. This is the elevator here at the Franciscan Crab Restaurant here in San Francisco, California on Fisherman's Wharf. The restaurant isn't open yet, but their elevator still works. So, yeah, let's take a ride on it. Two. Motor. Alright. What did you do? I just pushed the call button. I assumed this was a SoftTouch because these. And then this is a replacement. That's a new button for the original buttons though.
Way better.
Oh yeah. I'll beat you to it. Shiny elevator, Franciscan Crab Restaurant. Spiffy boys. Ooh, that felt good.